brother is here. Let's wish brother very good morning. Say good morning, brother. And say good morning, teachers. Alright, today the children of class 3A will present a beautiful assembly on Earth Day. But you have to listen carefully. So all the children, please hold your arms. Hold your arms nicely. Very good. And let's listen to the assembly.
Good morning, respected Brother Robert, Mrs. Kaushal, teachers, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to each one of you. As we begin our new academic session, so let's begin this new era by seeking God's blessings on each one of us. Dear Lord, as we begin this new academic session, we offer you the simple things that are a part of our daily school life. We offer you our books. May they open our minds to learn new things and grow in knowledge and wisdom. We offer you our pencils and pens. May everything we write be neat, honest, thoughtful, reflecting our best effort. We offer you our school bag. May they remind us to carry not just our books, but also responsibility and discipline. We offer you our notebook. May each page show our hard work, creativity, and willingness to learn. We offer you our uniform. May it remind us that we belong to one school family, united in love and respect. We offer you our classroom. May they filled with peace, joy, curiosity, and meaningful learning every day. We offer you our hearts and minds. May we always be kind, respectful, and ready to grow into better individuals. Bless our principal, Brother Robert, our headmistress, Mrs. Kaushal, our teachers, our parents, and all the children of the junior school, that together we may make this academic year fruitful and joyful. Amen. As you all know, we will be celebrating Earth Day tomorrow, the 22nd of April. The children of Class 3A are here to tell you about protecting our beautiful planet from getting destroyed by pollution. So let's now watch this play. The king enters proudly and looks at the tree with annoyance. What is this? Trees everywhere? They block my view of the sky. Too many trees, too much greenery. And someone tell those birds to stop singing in my garden. Guards, woodcutters, off with the trees. Cut them down at once. I need wood. I will cut this tree. This garden must be neat and perfect. I want space, not these tall and messy trees. We give shade and homes to birds. I give cool shade and keep the earth cool. Without earth will become too hot. I give fresh air to breathe. Please don't cut the trees. We make the garden bright and beautiful. But Your Majesty, trees give us oxygen to breathe. Your Majesty, trees give us fresh air to breathe. Very well. If trees help my kingdom, let Day, we shall grow more trees. Maybe cutting trees is not a good idea. I will not cut the tree. I will plant more instead. Now, now we are going to present a song on Earth's Day. For friends like you and me, let's be kind and take good care. Early love is everywhere. Hello birds up in the sky, happy tell of you and I. Earth is full of things to see, for friends like you and me. Let's be kind and take good care. Early love is everywhere. Look! Who is that? That looks so sad. Hello children, I am Mother Earth. I give you tall trees, blue oceans and fresh air. But lately I have a terrible tummy ache. Oh no! Dear Mother Earth, did you eat too much candy? No, I have a terrible tummy ache because of pollution. People are leaving trash everywhere, using too much water and cutting down my beautiful trees. That's terrible! How can we help you feel better? We are just kids. Kids are the best helpers. You just need to remember my favorite magic word, the 3 R's. The 3 R's, what are they? Let me show you the first R. The first R is reduce. So, how to do that? I will always turn off the tap while I brush my teeth. I will always turn off the light when I leave the room. That reduces water and electricity. Wonderful. The second R is reuse. That means that means using things instead of throwing them away. Like this, my mom got jam, and when it was empty, we called the jar. Now it holds my crayons. And look, we take this cloth back to the market. We don't need plastic bags. Excellent. The last R is recycle. I can do that. I won't throw these plastic bottles into the regular dustbin. I will throw these into the recycle bin so they can be remade into a new bottle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Is there anything else we can do for our earth? Yes, you can be kind to nature. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and care for our nature. You make the whole world a happier place. So, dear friends, you don't need super strength. You just need to care for our planet. Save the earth. Let's do our part. Love your planet. With all your heart. Happy Earth Day. So now we present a beautiful song. So let us promise to become eco-buddies and practice 3 hours. The children of class 3A would like to present a small token of our principal, Brother Robert, and our headmistress, Mrs. Caution, on Earth Day. On Earth Day, the, we now present a beautiful dance for you.
It's getting kinda hot. Let's help cool it down a lot. Ride a bike or plant a tree. Keep it clean for you and me. Out ready for Earth today. Let's care and play. Pick up trash we use today. We can help in every way. No more plastic in the sea. Turtles want to swim with glee. Bring your bottle, skip the straw. Nature smiles and says hurrah! Shout, hooray for Earth today. Let's care and play. Pick up trash we use today. We can help in every way.
The children of class 3A would like to present a small token for our principal, Brother Robert, and our headmistress, Mrs. Caution, on Earth Day. We now request Brother Robert to please come forward. We
Abiyut? Bugyan? Yes, I can.
request Brother Robert to please come forward and say a few words. We now request Brother Robert to please come forward and say a few words. We now request Brother Robert to please come forward and say a few words.
Hello.
Check. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, boys. Good morning, boys. Now, I have heard that many of you are saying sir, and I have told you that sir is not allowed. I told you that I am a brother. So you have to say good morning, brothers. So once again, let us try. Good morning, boys. Wonderful. All right, so first and foremost, this is your first assembly, all right, in this new academic year. So I wish you all the best for that. Secondly, thank you class 3A for that wonderful assembly on Earth Day. I want to say something very small to you. On the back over there is written "Save the Earth." All right. If the Earth is not there, then where will all of us go? We have nowhere to go. All right. If the Earth is not there, then we are not there. So every time you are looking after the earth in small ways, I take the rubbish and I put it in the dustbin, I do not litter, I do not cut any trees, I do not break any plants or flowers. Every time I do that, what am I doing? I am not just saving the earth, I am actually also giving myself a chance, and I am saving myself, and I am saving my friend, and I am saving everybody else who is in my family and my teachers and everybody else on this earth. So this is not just about saving the earth, it is about saving ourselves as well. All right? So keep that in mind, that every time you are looking after yourself, it means that you are also looking after the earth. We want you to look after each other. This morning I saw one boy, he did not want to come to school, but his friend brought him along, held him by his hand and said, come, let us go together. That is what we want to see from all of you, that you are there together and that you are there for each other. So let us hope that the message of today's assembly, Save the Earth, is not only about saving the earth, it is also about looking after each other. All right, so thank you once again, class 3, for that assembly, and all the best to you for your day. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. I now call upon Headmistress Mrs. Caution to please come and say a few words.
Good morning, boys. This is your first assembly, especially class 1. Have you understood how to come and sit for the assembly now? Yes? Because last year you did come, so now you know how to come and sit, where you want to have to sit, and how you have to keep quiet here. Yes, class 1? I'm only asking class 1, not class 3. So it was a wonderful assembly. Can we have a big round of applause for class 3 here, please? And boys, all dressed up in green and a beautiful shape. And all of us enjoyed. Did we learn how to save our Mother Earth? But still your classrooms when you visit is full of what? Papers, yes? So today I'm going to take a round and see which is the class which keeps all the boys, who are the boys who keep the class clean, okay? The most clean class. Can you do that for today? And then slowly it should become like a habit for all of us. Will you do that? So let's see today. Thank you, Pawan, and thank you both.
Thank you, ma'am. So today, let us pledge. Okay, let us take a pledge that we are going to save the earth and we are going to be eco buddies and help try and save the earth. Alright? So on this note, I would like everyone to stand up. Cameraman will give you a count. Alright, stand up.
Boys, stand at gaze. Attention. Please raise your right hand. Straight, feet together.
Alright. Alright, are we ready? Now we are going to take a pledge and promise that we will take care of the earth. So wait, you will repeat after me. Your first stand straight. Hands, right hand straight.
Your right hand is this one.
Alright, now you will repeat after me. I pledge on this earth day that I will use electric and all kinds of energy responsibly without any wastage. I will conserve water and other natural resources and promote clean, green and renewable energy. I will adopt sustainable practices in my daily life and motivate others to do the same. Recognizing that energy conservation and environmental protection are essential for the benefit of Earth Day and the future generations. Hands down. Alright, thank you boys.